Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to this discussion on personal finance. Personal finance is an important aspect of our lives, and it can impact our overall financial well-being. In this video, we will explore the basics of personal finance and provide some tips to help you manage your money. First, let's define personal finance. Personal finance is the management of one's money, including income, expenses, savings, investments, and debt. It involves making informed decisions about how to allocate and use financial resources to achieve financial goals. The first step in managing your personal finances is to create a budget. A budget is a plan that outlines your income and expenses over a period of time. It allows you to see where your money is going and helps you to identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. To create a budget, start by listing all of your sources of income and then list all of your expenses, including fixed expenses like rent or mortgage payments, utility bills, and transportation costs, as well as variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Once you have created a budget, the next step is to prioritize your spending. This means allocating your money to the most important expenses first, such as bills and debt payments, and then allocating money to savings and discretionary spending. Savings are an important part of personal finance. Setting aside a portion of your income each month can help you build an emergency fund, save for big purchases, or invest for retirement. To start saving, try setting a savings goal and then create a plan to achieve that goal, such as setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Investing is another important aspect of personal finance. Investing can help you grow your wealth over time, but it does come with risks. It's important to do your research and understand the risks before investing your money. Consider speaking with a financial advisor to help you make informed investment decisions. Lastly, managing debt is an important part of personal finance. Debt can be a burden, so it's important to pay it down as quickly as possible. To manage debt, start by creating a debt repayment plan and then stick to it. Consider paying off high-interest debt first, such as credit card debt, and then work your way down to lower interest debt. In conclusion, personal finance is an important aspect of our lives, and it involves making informed decisions about how to allocate and use financial resources to achieve financial goals. By creating a budget, prioritizing your spending, saving, investing, and managing debt, you can take control of your financial well-being and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching.